Good afternoon, YouTube. Kind of some not chainsaw themselves update, but I want to give a quick review. I know there's a ton of these on this European-made, made in Europe, pretty sure, Sweden. The Husqvarna, not Husqvarna. Look at Husk, H-U-S-Q, Varna, Husqvarna. They call it a Dolmar. They call it a jerry can. They call it a combo can. The Dolmar was originally made by Dolmar. This is one of the most, in my opinion, advanced, easy to use, foolproof fuel delivery system I've used in a long time. Just a really awesome setup. So without further delay, let's go ahead and get to this. This system is just so easy to use that it is, in my opinion, just foolproof. And it is a true safety can. Unlike the American safety cans where they spill everywhere, you can't quite, get them to deliver the fuel properly. This has just an on-off kind of a lock-unlock. A little pressure. Check these out. That's the Husqvarna Flippy Caps. They do fit on most all of your Makita and Dolmar products. So has a little float in there. All you do is first you want to bleed off any air so you don't pressurize, blow the fuel back in there. Literally turn it upside down and listen. You can listen for it. I don't know if you heard that or not, but you can hear it flow, and it literally stops right up to the top. There's some type of ingenious float system in here that when it hits, turns it off, you don't spill fuel everywhere. Easy, straightforward, works as it should. And then you flip it over to the oil, same way. The oil comes with two style of oil containers, but this one works the same way. Turn it upside down. It gives you the perfect fill up every time. Again, the little flippy caps, they fit this Makita, this Dolmar. It's gonna be under pressure. Depressurize it, unlock. There really is no guessing. You don't need to stop and guess and think, oh, am I full? Am I getting full? It stops when it's full. And I'm going to get crap for people for all this junk that's on here. But that's why we have fuel filters and the oil screen in there. I guess the only problem is if you put oil in the gas or gas in the oil, won't be the end of the world. So pretty straightforward. You can chain some wedges right there, files, flat file, put your scrunch in there. Only downfalls I've read, I haven't experienced, is that these can break, but I haven't seen them. I mean, they seem durable. It holds 5 liters, so little under, almost a gallon and a half, and a little over 2.5, 3 liters of oil, bar oil. You can get these on Amazon, and they ship from, I think all out the door, this is right around $40 shipped from Europe. Someone is saying that the Husqvarna dealerships can't sell these in the States because they're illegal, because the color, because we have to have red, but whatever. There you go for the California emissions that just ruined all gas fuel delivery systems for small engines. just the worst. But I don't have to go off on that. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this quick little review of this Husqvarna petroleum jerry can, Dolmar can, whatever you want to call it. Like and subscribe. Have any questions, post them below. Thank you for watching. Adios.